Let's work. Let's work. Let's work. You What's good? What's going on, man? It's your boy B. We back in this mode with another video, man. Y'all already see the title. Y'all see what we got going on, man. Best case for your iPhone 15 Pro Max or your iPhone in general, man. Y'all, boom! Otter Box. Now, I will say this. There are definitely a whole bunch of other dope brands out there as well. I done tried tons of cases. Even though I haven't done videos on them, I record them, I ain't drop them. It's all good. But we done tried Kadabi. They actually hit me up on one of my other channels about like a sponsorship or whatnot. We also had, who else? Speckle. Speckle is a good case. I believe that's how you say it. What's another good case I seen? It's Caseify. It's a whole bunch of different case brands out there that you can use for your particular iPhone or Android. Android users too. Hey, look, the Android, the Galaxy S23 Ultra is definitely like that. I will say that. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and do a quick unboxing of the Otter Box Defender XT Drop Plus right here. Now, this particular case does have that MagSafe in the back. Now, they do have the Otter Box Defender that doesn't come with the MagSafe, but it does come with that little case grip that you can like clip on your belt, the little belt clip. You know, I don't really use that. It's particular for people who like probably like do construction or the elderly people, you know what I'm saying? And I'm just saying, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, this is what we get inside the box here, man. You got your manuals and stuff like that inside the case here. Also says 1A holster. So, okay. So you can order the holster separately, I'm assuming, and it has a promo code here on the case itself. So look, hey, look, if y'all want a free, I might get that away. I don't know. We'll see. We might say that for a giveaway. Y'all comment down below if y'all want the holster for your Galaxy, not Galaxy, but your Otter Box. But anyways, man, closer look at the case. You got your Otter Box logo in the back. Let me see if we get an angle so you guys can actually see the text, the writing on the back. Now, I will say this. I don't necessarily like the, I want to say, rubber. Like, I feel like this part is actually slippery to me. I honestly wanted to get the Otter Box that didn't have the MagSafe inside the case here. I'm going to show you guys the MagSafe inside right here. Boop. You know what I'm saying? Get a good look at that. It has more grip. It's more rubbery than this right here. But I wanted the MagSafe. I feel like the MagSafe is like a big component, man. Especially like if you want to hook it up to your car like that. So like if you can get the one without the MagSafe, but it's not going to be as strong as the one that has the case with the MagSafe. Just the phone MagSafe with a case is not going to be, you know, unless it's like a clear case, then yeah. But here we go. Otter Box Defender XT. Now, this case is going to run you roughly $69.99 depending on select retailers. But I actually end up getting like a little discount on this and end up buying it for like roughly like $60. So, yeah, I want to consider it a steal. But real quick, man. Listen. All right, so I just figured something out here. After messing with the phone for about 5-10 minutes, man, I noticed that this case is lifting up my screen protector. I don't know if you guys can see the bubbles here. It's probably, let me lock my screen real quick. Taking a screenshot is crazy. I don't know if you guys can see the bubbles. You probably can see it a little bit in the corners there, man. So what it's doing, this front plate is actually lifting up my screen protector. And I have one of those tempered glass screen protectors. So the screen protector is actually pretty thick. So I can't really recommend this case, man. I just can't recommend this case unless you're using one of those plastic screen protectors. Then it won't lift up your screen protector. But I have like one of those tempered glass screen protectors that I always recommend in my comments, man, for your phone, because it's definitely well needed. The screen protector will crack before your actual phone screen crack. But anyways, man, hopefully you guys can see the bubbles in my phone here. Hope you guys can see those bubbles right there, man. Y'all, it's lifting up my screen protector from the top and also from the side as well. So I can't recommend this unless you're going with like a plastic screen protector, man. So I'm gonna try out the Defender, the basic Defender, and see how that would do, man. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for that video, man. I just want to let you guys know that real quick, just in case you guys was out, you know what I'm saying, go ahead and try to hurry up and get your case. So on the way to order your case, I'm about to hit the add to the cart and buy. Be cautious. If you got the screen protector similar to the one I got, like a tempered glass, then you're gonna run into some issues with the case lifting up, the screen protector lifting up. So just be mindful of that. Appreciate the love, support. Appreciate the love, support. Hey man, it is what it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this rubber groove off now. I believe this is a 2-piece case, if I'm not mistaken. I believe this is a 2-piece case. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these rubber grooves off right here. So yeah, this is definitely a 2-piece case. I thought it was gonna be a 3-piece, but it's a 2-piece, man. So you got all this is pretty rubbery. It's kind of hard shell. It's not too bendable, but a little bendable. Not as bendable as a lot of other cases. At the bottom, you have your cutouts for your charger. You're gonna block all that up. You got your volume rockers on the side as well. Hopefully you guys can see that. And your power button on the left-hand side, on the right-hand side, I should say. All right, man, so let's go ahead and clean our phone off. Like I said, man, we do got that all black, the all black titanium built-in Pro Max. Links will be down below in the description there, just in case you guys want to purchase an Otter Box case. Like I said, man, I highly recommend the Otter Box brand. Definitely a great brand to go with, especially for those who are like always on the go, or you kind of clumsy with your phone, man. You know what I'm saying? Me personally, I'm not too clumsy with my phone, but you know what I'm saying? It slip every now and then. So let me see. Let's look at the instructions real quick. It's saying separate and remove the lid from the back half. We already did that. Place the device into the back half of case. And then, okay, so we put the phone in the case, then we tuck it in with the actual, the template plate. So boom, here, quick look at the instructions here. Hope you guys can see that. You probably can't read it. The text is extremely small, but there you go. All right, man, so let's go ahead and clean the phone off, finish cleaning the phone off, man. You know what I'm saying? You gotta have you a microfiber cloth on hand at all times. Always gotta have a microfiber cloth on hand at all times, man. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I do got that glass protector on my lenses here. Link in the description, just in case you guys want to clock. Highly recommend. All right, so let's throw this in here like so. All right, it fits in there as well. And we're gonna put this template in there. So let me see. All right, put the template in. Oh, we gotta fight this? Hold on. Okay, I see what we gotta put the. Gotta push down on it and pull up. It's a lot going on. The rubber grooves in there. And we just gotta get this part on. That's the only thing about Otter Box, man. They're gonna make sure that you're gonna fight to get your case on, man. That's one thing they will succeed at. The struggle of putting the case on. This is not something you're gonna want to take on and off, which I do not plan on doing. So I'm fine with it being tough to put on the first time, and it's gonna stay on for the remainder of my phone cycle. So let me see. Clip this on here. And there we go. I think we all set. Man. I think we all set. Yeah, that's pretty flush. All right, so that's a new look. This is my first ever Otter Box XT case. I own Otter Box in the past, of course, but this is my first one right here, man. So this is a closer look at the case with the phone inside. Dope look. Like I said, you can't go wrong with that all black, man. You cannot go wrong with that all black. Now, like I said, it doesn't come with, as you guys seen it in the box, and it does not come with the holster here. So you do have to order that separately. They got a promo code as well, so I'm guessing they're gonna give you a discount if you want to order it. I wish they would have included it like they done with the other Otter Box Defender, but you guys go. The Otter Box Defender XT, up to 5 times drop test, military standard. You know what I'm saying? Military standard. There you guys go. Boom, boom, boom. Y'all get in the comments. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below about the case. What case are you currently rocking on your iPhone 15 Pro Max or your iPhone in general? What's some good other recommendations? Like I said, man, I done seen Caseify. I done seen Kadabi. Shout out to T. I believe his name T. I gotta find it in my subscription box, man. Hold on, man. We gotta give him a shout out, man. He's a cool dude. Y'all go for him. He be doing all the unboxing on case. Y'all might know who I'm talking about. Let me see. Is it Technical T? I think it's Technical T. I believe it's Technical T, man. I believe it's Technical T. But anyways, man, big shout out to him. He be doing all the unboxing, man. Y'all be sure to go check him out because he be doing a whole bunch of different other cases, man. Brands that I haven't even heard of. But anyways, man, Otter Box Defender XT for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Dope look. Got your Otter Box checks once again right here engraved into the case. This right here is this is gonna be a little slippery for those, but you do got your rubber grooves and grips on the side here. Like I said, man, I honestly believe the original Defender will be a much better case, in my opinion, just due to the fact that it's more grippier. I would say it's more grippier, and it also comes with that clip, you know what I'm saying, so you don't have to order that separately. That's the only thing, but this one right here is gonna get the job done as well, man. Appreciate the love and support. Y'all get in the comments. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below. We gotta do some more videos on the iPhone. We got a game on this. We got the game on the 15 Pro. They was doing all this gaming stuff on the 15 Pro Max, the 15 Pro. We got to see what the gaming really like on the iPhone. Can you really game? I'm not even a mobile gamer, but we might turn into one if it's really like that. But appreciate the love and support, man. Y'all be sure to check out one of the videos at the end of the screen because it's definitely a banger. I would miss it if I was you, man. Cha.